So how do you get in a good mood instantly? How do you pump up your energy when it feels like you have absolutely none? A great NLP technique that I love to focus on, and I use it like all the time, is anchoring. And one of the things that I suggest is have an anchoring song. An anchor means something that automatically puts you in a state of good mood, energy, positive vibes. So I love the song by Rihanna called Shine Bright Like a Diamond. And so that always, like before I go on stages, before I do stuff, it just makes me feel really great and it pumps me right up. And that's an anchoring technique. So whether it's, some people go to YouTube and they find a great video, motivational video on YouTube, and they listen to that, like David Goggins or something along those lines. My suggestion is find your anchoring technique, find your song, find your motivational thing, listen to it consistently and use it as what we call an anchor, which means if you use it frequent enough, it brings you into a state immediately. Check it out, try it out, let me know how it works.